try this, you'll have these moments, it might be hard to get through some of it, but you'll survive and you'll get so much, like it'll be so worth sitting still for.
So I would totally recommend this program, the PSI, CRG, and this workshop for anyone who is in the business of helping others. If you're leading others, you're managing others, you're in sales, anything that where you work with people, if you want to get an edge where you can see how do I serve those people better, this is definitely what you want to take and be involved with.
Yes, I'd highly recommend it to people who are, number one, are kind of floundering a little bit, maybe in their lives, and they're looking for to find out where they're at, who they are. A lot of people don't understand who they are. They don't have a self-awareness. And these indicators that Ken has put together really do help to give you a place or knowledge of where you're at. And so I would recommend it to people like that. People who want to learn to coach, or people who are coaching or mentoring. And these are great tools for people to use hands-on, helping other people to get where they want to go and accomplish what they want to accomplish.
Yeah, I would highly recommend this program. So working in the career development field, I serve executive clients around the world, as well as just about every range of industry and field. And I would suggest that for career practitioners that are working with clients that are asking them to get really clear about where they want to go with their careers and their lives, this is an excellent opportunity for you as a professional and as a practitioner to actually walk the talk, so to speak, and come in and gain clarity about who you are as an individual and how you live the values and who you be in terms of the business that you run and the services you offer to your clients.
This is probably going to be a reoccurring pattern, and I need to put together strategies in place beforehand so that when something comes up that maybe triggers a weakness of my particular combination of style indicators, that I can actually overcome that more quickly. So I'm really looking forward to being more myself and less apologetic.